for more. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable and use Opera's VPN. First, ensure you have the Opera browser installed on your device. Once Opera is installed, open the browser, and on the left-hand side of the browser window, you'll see a menu with various icons. Click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, you'll find the search bar. Type VPN into the search bar to quickly find the VPN settings. You'll see two options, VPN and VPN Pro. For the free VPN, click on the standard VPN option and toggle the switch to enable it. Once the VPN is enabled, you have the option to configure it further. Connect VPN when starting the browser. And after enabling the VPN, you'll notice a VPN icon in the address bar. Click on this icon to open its menu, and here you can choose your connection location: Europe, Asia, or America. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.